Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy items from Yupoo using Superbuy as your agent in 2025. To begin, start by exploring Yupoo and finding the item you want to purchase. Once you find your desired product, copy the image link or the full gallery link if available. Now head over to Superbuy and log into your account. On the home page, click the Buy For Me button. Paste the Yupoo image or gallery link into the input field. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to paste the link and hit search. Since Yupoo doesn't provide direct purchase info, you'll need to manually fill out the item name, description, size, color, and the seller's listed price. If you're unsure about the price, you can reach out to the seller directly on WeChat and ask for details. Once all information is entered, click Submit. After that, your request will be reviewed by the Superbuy team. Once it's verified, you'll receive a proper product page that includes the confirmed price and domestic shipping fee. At this stage, click Add to Cart, then proceed with Buy Now. Complete the domestic payment using your preferred payment method. After payment, wait for the item to arrive at Superbuy's warehouse. Once it does, go to the My Warehouse section and select your item. Click Submit Delivery Order to move forward. Choose your preferred international shipping method, declare the parcel value, and add insurance if necessary. Then proceed with payment, and you'll be able to track your parcel in real time. Shipping times will vary depending on your location and the shipping option you choose. And that's how you buy from Yupoo using Superbuy in 2025.